true opposition man is a hard-working worker who follows the principles of the party and is happy for the food on their plate and glad to have a roof over their head at night. A true opposition man will cheer on the courageous men and women who fight for their future, as he or she must feel peace as blood pumps in their heart and blood courses through their veins. But above else, a true opposition man should always believe the truth and nothing but the truth,